What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to talk about AMC, GME as well as the broader market. After that we're going to check the options flow for all three of them. So today AMC was up for 6.87% for the day. It had a high of $18.92. Average volume on AMC is going around 56.83 million, but today's volume was around 31.68 million. So you can see it very clearly. The volume on AMC is not even close to an average volume. Still we were up 6.87%. It shows that the overall broader market plays a significant role in AMC as well as GME. If the overall broader market goes up, the AMC will GME, both will squeeze. Now that's what's scaring the market maker right now, because we were expecting an all-time high to be happening because everybody is bearish on the market. Market maker need to make the market go up to all-time high so that all the bearish activity that's happening in the overall broader market can get out of money and the market maker make a lot of money out of it. But they are not able to do it just because AMC and GME both are looking to rip if the market keeps going up. Now let's come over to the GME. GME was up 7.78% for the day. It had a high of $152.98. The average volume on GME is around 4.77 million, but today's volume was around 2.35 million. The same thing is happening over here as well. The volume is not even close enough to the average volume. Still the stock price is going up just because of the overall broader market is going in an upward momentum. Now we are going to experience a red day tomorrow, most likely, just because the Netflix has gotten beaten down really badly in the aftermarket. Today we were having the earnings for the Netflix, and as we can see clearly, the Netflix has gone down to $260 in the aftermarket. I'm pretty sure a lot of people have made a lot of huge amount of money in buying put options on the Netflix. Playing option near on the earnings is a complete gamble, but still some people sometimes get lucky. Now this Netflix is a big tech play. It is going to put some sort of a huge impact onto the overall broader market, especially QQQ. So we might experience a red day coming in tomorrow. Now we are having a big day tomorrow. We're going to have the earnings of Tesla in the aftermarket. This could be big as well. Overall sentiment of the market seems to be like going in the downtrend now, just because of the Netflix getting beaten down really badly. That could pull down Tesla as well, but let's see. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a beat, but we're going to watch the guidance very carefully, that what's going to be the guidance coming out from the Tesla, because it's going to play a very important role in the overall sentiment towards the stock. Now let's come over to the SPY. The SPY was up for 1.61% for the day. It had a high of $445.80. So the SPY 1.61, that's a huge jump that is coming basically in the SPY. The SPY is almost like a meme stock right now. It just goes up and down violently. I mean, these kind of a move, 1.61%, we don't experience in SPY. But I personally believe we're going to experience a lot of volatility in just coming more months before we're going to experience some sort of a overall downtrend into the overall broader market. Now let's come over to the options flow for the AMC. Now when I increase the premium to max and see what exactly the whales are doing, majority of the whales are onto the downside. None of them was buying a call option onto it because it literally make no sense. There is hardly any volume coming in AMC, but still the stock price is going up. Now when I bring down the premium and see what exactly the small retail is doing, they are trying to buy some call options and they are trying to do the YOLO into it. They are expecting, you never know, there might be a big momentum coming into the AMC. But today, after the aftermarket Netflix earning, I don't think so that we're going to experience any kind of upward momentum in the SPY, which will create a significant impact on AMC as well. So we would have experienced some sort of a uptrend into AMC, but after the Netflix earnings, I don't think so we're gonna experience any green day tomorrow. The rest, there was nothing majorly suspicious coming out of the options flow for the AMC. Now let's come over to the options flow for the GME. When I increase the premium to max and see what exactly the whales are doing, the whales are on to the upside for the stock. In GME, a lot of investors are having a bullish sentiment towards the stock. Now when I bring down the premium and see what exactly the small retail is doing, majority of them are onto the upside. But like I said, Netflix has gone beaten down in the aftermarket. This is going to impact overall broader market towards the downside. The rest, there was nothing majorly suspicious coming out of the options flow for the GME. Now let's come over to the options flow for the SPY. Now when I bring the premium to max and see what exactly the whales are doing, the whales were basically buying call options on it. Now this $15.3 million bet came in after market close. As we know, we can do options on the SPY 15 minutes after close as well. So this trade came in 15 minutes after the market close, and we can see it very clearly. This is a $435 call option that's going to expire in 30 days. This individual is buying 10,000 contracts and he is paying $15.3 million for it. That's a huge bet. This individual is betting that the SPY is going to go up from here onwards. But just in the overall sentiment towards the market, the QQQ is going to get affected tomorrow just because the first big tech earning, which was Netflix, has gone beaten down. And now there is another one. This was $385 put option that's going to expire in 37 days. This individual is buying 11,500 contract, but he's paying $1.32 million for it. So this trade seems to be like not having that much conviction the way this individual was having that conviction at the market close. Yes, if we see some sort of a green momentum coming into the overall broader market, that's going to be a very good deal for a lot of retail investors. Now, when I bring down the premium and see what exactly the small whales are doing, they are all on to the downside. None of them are buying any call option. There are not many call buying. When I bring up the put to call ratio chart, you can see yourself the put side is 66%. The premium is slight bit lower onto the put side. That's interesting. The volume on put is pretty heavy as compared to the call side. The rest, there was nothing majorly suspicious coming out of the options flow for the SPY. Let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. Hope so. You like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. I'm going to see you in the next one. Cheers.